In today's lesson, we will practice setting up our hand position for skipping in space. Let's get started. First, let's take a second to place our hands in the proper position. Put your right hand thumb on F above middle C. That is 4 steps above middle C. C, D, E, and F. We're going to rest our left hand thumb on middle C. As you can see by the diagram, this song is all about skips. So we are going to rest our left hand thumb again on middle C. Take a moment to make sure your hands are in the proper position. So right hand on F, left hand on C. Good. Now that our hands are in the right position, let's get started by looking at the first line. Each measure has one note. Hold each note for 3 beats. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And for each measure, you can do this to see if you're holding it long enough. So in the first 4 measures, we play finger 1, hold for 3, skip up to finger 3, hold for 3, skip up to finger 5, hold for 3, and finally skip back down to finger 3, and we hold that note for 3 beats as well. Good. Take a minute to practice this. In the second line, now we will play each note for 1 beat. Finger 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And in the very last measure, we see that we have to cross over with our left hand finger 2. A skip above that C up there. So that note is E. Hold this note for 3 beats. And remember, this is a skip above your 5th finger in your right hand. The notes are from the second to last measure, F, A, C, skip over with finger 2 in the left hand, to E. 1, 3, 5, 2 finger numbers. Good, let's take a minute to practice both lines of skipping in space. A note to parents: to help your child practice this week, you can have them start by practicing 1 line at a time, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Practice this slowly and then at a medium pace. And with repetition, they will feel more comfortable playing this song faster. Always begin slowly. Happy practicing.